UNgqongqoshe wamaPhoyisa uthi umphakathi kufanele uthathe inyathelo ukuqeda ukuhlaselwa kwabesifazane nezingane.
Here we arrested a 46-year-old man who has repeatedly raped a 6-year-old own daughter, not a stepdaughter.
Lolu udlame lukunyathela kwamalungelo abantu okubi kakhulu okuqhubekayo nje ngenxa yomkhuba okuyihlaba indlali kwabalibonayo.
We cannot just allow it to continue perpetually because the statistics points us to a situation where only when an incident has been reported can be recorded on the stats.
There is no way that men can keep quiet while women and children have been raped and killed by another man. We want to squeeze a space for gender-based violence and femicide.
Kube nesicelo sezinyathelo ezinqala zokulwa nalesihlava.
It's not only the perpetrators that actually violates a victim, it's also our families that actually neglects the situation.
The implementation of the Domestic Violence Act, we need to see it being implemented across all our stations. We need to ensure that the training of our detectives are up. We need to ensure that those that are helping in the CSC.
AmaPhoyisa athahlela ukusingatha izimbizo eziningi zabesilisa eWestern Cape nakwezinye izifundazwe.